Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe first. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can wrap the text around your object. Here, I already have one image ready. I'm working on this image now. So, go to your select tools and from the select your subject. As soon as you select your subject, the Photoshop would automatically select your subject. Here you can see that it is automatically selected. Now go back again to the select and modify and expand your selection by 25 pixels. I just leave my pixel into 25. Press it OK. And you can notice that the pixel has been moved little outside the objects. Now, once you have done this one, make sure you have this selection tool selected. And then right click on inside your selected object and select make work path to make the path on your selection and leave your tolerance to pixel. Here you can notice that the path has been created. Now select your text tool and then click anywhere on your path. Here the Photoshop has already created the wrap text with the sample text. So I just want to delete the sample text. Select all and delete it. Now write your own text. Hi, I am a pretty girl. You may have noticed that as soon as I write the text, it is wrapping around the object. So you can write whatever you like. Okay. Also, you have write your text and then come into the end point, just stop it. And you can see that the text has been wrapped around the object. Don't worry about the words, I have just to do it randomly on the keyboards. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.